All right, this is everybody's favorite, the order of operations. All right, so now we're adding division, dividing and fractions into the mix. So evaluate 5 and 1/4 divided by 1 and 1/8 minus 2/3. And luckily for me, I can just go from left to right because that is the order of operations. Division before subtraction, and that's so I'm following the order of operations. So 5 and 1/4. So the first thing I'm going to do is 5 and 1/4 divided by 1 and 1/8. So, oh, So 5 and 1/4. So when I'm doing division, make sure first thing I do is convert everything to an improper fraction. And I'm actually going to go ahead and do that before I even start solving it. So 5 and 1/4 would be 21/4, right? Divided by 9/8 minus 2/3. All right. Now I'm going to follow the order of operations. So the first thing we take care of is the 21/4 divided by 9/8. So I'm going to do it over here. 21/4 divided by 9/8. All right. Find the reciprocal of my divisor. So just flip them around. So it's 8/9. And then change the multiplication to division to multiplication. All right, and cross cancel. Now I'm going to cross cancel, and I can cross cancel a lot of these. So 21 and 9, so 3 is a common factor. So I'm going to divide both by 3, and I get 7 and 3. And then 4 and 8, 4 is a common factor. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. So now it's 7 wholes times 2/3. And then I just multiply the numerator times the numerator, and that's 14 thirds. All right, so there's a couple ways I can do it. I can convert that back to a mixed number. I'm just going to leave that as a proper fraction for now and plug it back into my equation. I'm not going to convert anything yet. So 14 thirds minus 2/3. And now I'm just going to go ahead and subtract them, and I get 12 thirds, and that's going to reduce to 4. Now, I could have also done, like I said, I could convert that to a mixed number. So that would have been 14 thirds would be 4. Yeah, so if I convert that to a mixed number, so back to a mixed number, 14 thirds would be 4 and 2/3 minus 2/3. And then if I would have subtracted, so 4, there's nothing to subtract 4. And then 2/3 minus 2/3 would be 0. So it still came out to 4. All right. So go ahead, pause the video. Oop, I didn't mean to give you guys the answers. Go ahead and pause the video, give this a shot, and check your answer. All right, so welcome back. So hopefully you didn't look at that, and if you use it as a tool, that's fine. So evaluate 3/4 minus 3 1/2 divided by 8 1/6. All right, so first thing I did is convert everything into an improper fraction. So 3/4 minus 7/2 divided by 49/6. So 3/4 is 3/4, 3 1/2 is 7/2, 8 1/6 is 49/6. All right, then we do the division part first. So 7 halves divided by 49/6. Okay, so it becomes 7 halves by the reciprocal 49/6, which is 6/49. And then I was able to cross cancel quite a few things. That's 7, and that's 1, and that's 3, and that's 1, and that's how I got 1 1s times 3 7s, and then you just multiply 3 7s. All right, and then subtract. So the 3 7s back in the equation. 3/4 minus 3 7s equals, all right, so 4 and 7, I had to get a common denominator. So that equals 21/28 minus 12/28, and that will give me 9/28. And then 9/28 is actually already in simplest form. And so that's it. All right, go ahead and give the on your own a shot and click on the video to go over the answers.